Doesn't matter what they say, doesn't really matter what they do. Baby, got me breathing now, breathing now. Doesn't matter where I go, heart still open, cannot close. Baby, got me breathing now, breathing now. Welcome to this one-way ride. We're all on it, got to give it a go. All we got is hope. Don't you know? Wipe the floor of yesterday. You can change it anyway. And you're never alone, never alone. Doesn't matter.
We just got our first harvest of our Improved Meyer Lemon, and we're just so excited. We ended up with 22 nice lemons here. Now the problem is that we've been traveling a lot, and I'm afraid that they're gonna go bad. It's just the two of us. So I think what I wanna do is I wanna dehydrate all of these and make a lemon powder that I can use to make several different seasoning mixes. The first plan is to take all of these lemons and slice them up into thin slices, and we're gonna lay those out. When I get all of these sliced up, we're gonna go ahead and layer them on the dehydrator. I decided that the mandolin would probably be easier to use for this. I recognize that there's quite a bit of seeds in all of these slices, but I am not concerned about that. Once these are dehydrated, I'll show you how easy it is to pick them out. So one of the things that's important as you set these up to be dehydrated, if you don't have any of these little gel trays, I have quite a few, but it's only really important for this to have it on the bottom to catch any messes that happen because it's really hard to clean. And this is just a really inexpensive dehydrator that I got from Walmart. Up to this point, we haven't had to do any large-scale dehydrating, and I've just been getting my practice in, but I imagine later down the road that we're gonna have to get one of those nice Excaliburs or something like that. Comment down below and let Mr. NG know that he probably at some point should get me a really nice dehydrator. Yes. I was afraid of this happening. I got this filled up and I have a bunch of lemon slices left here. Mr. NG and we discussed at some point after getting this that we would like to compare our old method of dehydrating in the oven at the lowest setting, 170 degrees, and just comparing it to the new dehydrator. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start this, check it every 3 hours, see how it's doing, and get these into the oven and start that, and we'll just start comparing them. I'm glad that we went ahead and did that comparison. There's no way that we were going to get all this done using one method over the other. Everything in the oven in our old traditional method was done much faster. This was done in about, I want to say about 6-7 hour time period. Now the dehydrating method took 18 hours to get to the consistency I felt would be appropriate to grind down to a powdery method. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. This is just a reminder that these are the Improved Meyer Lemons, and they are a bit more mild. They're not as tart as your regular traditional lemon, and I was enjoying checking on them in both the oven and the dehydrator method, and I even snacked on them, and I realized how tasty they are. And I did catch a few seeds, and it did not affect the taste at all. So I'm going to go ahead and grind them with the seeds. Usually I would have a much smaller batch, and in smaller batches I would just go straight to the grinder and grind it down to a powdery form and sift it out. But we did a really large batch, and I think it's going to be pretty laborious to do that, so I am going to break them down in the food processor, get it as small as I can, so I don't have to do as many rounds in the grinder. Well, that was a great idea because there's not very many chunks in here, and I think that the grinder is going to be able to do a much better job not working so hard. Well, that came out really nice. I'm going to go ahead and grind through the rest of these batches and show you what it looks like when it's all done. I wish you guys could smell this. It is just so fragrant. You can smell that lemon, kind of makes you want to dip your finger in and lick it. I'm going to be putting this spice in a nice little jar. The reason that I went about doing this method and making it this way is that this lemon powder is a base ingredient for several different spices that we're going to put together. If you're interested in learning some of the seasoning spice mixes that I'm going to be making, comment down below, #lemonspice. I hope you like this video. If you hit that like button, it really helps our channel out. And if you like our content, go ahead and hit that subscribe. We do other videos like this. We'll leave the playlist above. And until the next time, let's grow together.